speaking.
Okay. So your schooling and college was done from where? Did you say Kolkata?
Kolkata, yes.
Both the things. You
Yes.
okay. And how long have you been staying in Delhi now?
At least 1.5 months.
Just 1.5 months. You just joined here.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Is this your first job?
Yes, right.
Okay. So how was you placed from the campus itself, or you got the job later on?
No, I got the job later on. Actually, when I visited here, actually,
I've lost you. Hello. I can't hear you, or your video is also frozen. Hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Please join the audio. I can't hear you. Please try to rejoin if you, because your video is also frozen. Hello. I can't hear you, or
can you hear me?
yeah, now little bit I
Uh,
just heard you. Yeah. What happened? I didn't, I lost you
I don't.
completely. Okay. Still
Yes.
your mic is showing red color, so the voice is not that clear, but now your video is okay. So
Okay, okay.
okay, sir. Okay, tell me. So you came. How did you come to this Delhi straight away? I mean, for a job interview.
Yes, for job actually.
So
Actually, I was means I had joined another company in Kolkata also,
right.
but there the package is very low, so that's why I want to increase my package, salary
Hmm.
package. So
So you.
that's why I got an opportunity. Then I grabbed it.
So I wanted a better package. I wanted, past tense. I joined
Uh,
in Calcutta, but the pay was
okay,
low. But the pay was low. So you have to convert this is into was past tense.
okay, okay.
Okay. So now I'll tell you just to tell you a little bit about the grammar. Can you tell me your daily
Okay.
routine right from the morning? Your daily routine.
In which sentence? Means in
It
which
will be in
tense?
simple present tense. It will
Present.
be in simple present tense. Your daily routine would be in simple present tense. For example,
Okay.
so tell me,
Hmm.
start from the morning.
From I wake up at 7 a.m.
Right.
After that, I press
Freshen up. Freshen up.
freshen up.
Right.
I
Freshen. Hmm.
freshen up, and then I
Good.
cook my breakfast, and then at 9:10 a.m. actually one of my clapingo session happened, so I joined there
Right.
and learned 15 minutes English speaking,
Right.
and then I back to my work, office
Then I am
work.
back to my work. Then I am back to my work. Or I
Then
go
I
back
am
to my
back
work. Or I go back to my work.
for I go back to my work, right?
No, no, no. Then I go back to my work. Before, if you have worked earlier also, and in the middle you attend a clappingo session, then I go back, or I continue. I resume my work. You can say I resume my work.
Okay, I resume my work.
Right.
I resume my work, and almost I worked around till 1 p.m.
Good.
And after that, I made my lunch also,
Made
and
me.
then I
No, past tense is not required. Make.
okay, I
Then I
make
prepare,
lunch.
or I make, I cook, whatever you want to say.
I prepare my lunch and then have it.
Right.
After
Good.
that, I back to my work.
I get
I
back to my
resume.
work. Get back to my work.
I can back to my work,
I get back.
right?
Get back. Get back.
Okay, I get back to my work.
Yes.
Okay. And after that, I'm working, and for like right now it's 4 p.m. So before I go to
So then I work for say
like
till.
around 3 p.m.
So I work till, then I work till 6 o'clock.
Okay. Then I work means for today I'm telling,
Not
right?
today. Every day I'm talking. Your daily routine is your
Okay,
daily
okay,
routine,
okay,
right? Every day.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So then means I learned if any clappingo session, then I go through the session notes
Right.
and prepare for that at least 30 minutes.
At least for 30
Go
minutes. Good. For.
at least for 30 minutes, and then I go to the if any session available, and then I work till 6 p.m. After that, I then go back and prepare dinner for me. And if like first when I prepare dinner, then I see the my grocery items is available at home or not.
Right.
So if not available, then I go to market, and buy some vegetables
Good.
to cook food. And
Right.
after that, I come my home, and
I come back home.
just come back home, and just prepare dinner for me. And after making dinner, my aunt is also living here, so I just for 30 minutes I go there to visit there. Actually, visit there. It's around 15 minutes, 15 not 5 minutes distance from
Okay.
my house.
Right.
So I go there and just talk to her, and just meet to every my brother and my cousin and my aunt,
Right.
and then talk to her, and then I come back my home, and then I eat my food, and then I go back to my work which is pending. So
Right.
pending work I have
I
to
do
do
my pending
in.
work. Then I do my pending work.
Okay, then I do my pending work. At night, and almost 1 to 2 p.m. around it is going to finish. It is going to finish,
It finishes
and
at. It finishes. S-E-S.
okay,
It
it
finishes by
finishes.
1 to 2 p.m. Yeah. 2 a.m.
Okay,
Rather. Hmm.
it finishes by 1 or 2
A.m.
a.m.
Morning. In the
2 a.m.
morning, right?
Yes, yeah, in the morning, and after that I go back to sleep.
No, I go to sleep. No back. I go to sleep.
Okay, I go to sleep.
Yeah. So this is the simple present tense. I go, I
Yes,
visit my aunt, I prepare my food.
yes,
Pure form of verb. No distortion,
yes.
no change.
Okay.
When you're talking every day, general things,
Yes.
hobbies, your daily routines, your facts of life. For example, Earth is round. We don't
Yes.
say Earth was round. Earth is round. Fact.
Okay.
Pure
Yes.
present
Yes.
tense. Now, if I ask you, because you are staying here alone, I think I cannot ask you who
Yes.
stays. But for example, if I ask you when you go home,
Hmm.
who all are there in your family?
In my family, like I have 5 siblings,
Hmm.
and my mom, and also and my father.
Okay, so your parents and
Total.
five siblings. You are five siblings.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I ask you to just describe me a little bit about your mother's routine when you go home, what is your mother routine, everyday's routine? Tell me from the morning.
In simple present tense.
Yeah, routine is in
Okay.
simple present. But let's see.
Okay. Okay.
Let me see if you change the things or not. Yeah, you know this language. Yeah, I think so. You will
Oh.
do it. Okay. Tell me.
Okay. Okay. Firstly, my mom wake up at 6 a.m. in the
No,
morning.
no. I wake up is okay. I wake up at 6 p.m. is okay.
My mom wakes up.
Wakes up. Yes, S will come. S
Okay,
or
okay,
ES will
okay.
come
Okay,
every
okay,
time now.
sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
that's why I asked you.
Okay,
So tell
okay,
me.
sorry. Huh.
So,
My
okay.
mom wakes up at 6 a.m. in the morning,
Right.
and then my mom prepare breakfast my mom cooks breakfast.
Cooks. Yes, cooks.
Yes, my mom cooks breakfast for
For
my
the entire
cousin,
family, for
for
the whole
my,
family.
okay, for entire family.
Right.
And then my mom goes to fresh up,
Yeah.
goes
First,
to
it
fresh
goes
up,
to freshen up. Freshen up.
and then goes to temple
Good.
to worship,
Huh.
to
Good.
worship. And then my mom packs the food tiffin box for my
Right.
sister. So because she is going for office,
She
so
goes
that's
to the office. Sister is also same like mom. So my sister goes to the, because my sister goes to the office. One sister.
okay. Yes.
Singular, only singular. Not
Okay.
everybody. You know? So
Okay.
one of the sisters, she packs food for her, your mom,
Ah.
because my
Hmm.
sister goes to the office.
Yes, yes. She goes to the office, so that's why my mom packs the food tiffin box.
Very good.
And then at around 10 a.m. All house chores complete by
She
my mom.
completes by 10 a.m. She completes all the household chores. She
Okay, by
completes
10 a.m. all the house she completes all the household chores.
chores.
Chores. Okay.
Chores.
Okay, chores. And then because at that time after 10 a.m. My mom watches tele
Right.
TV to
TV serials or something she watches.
serial or entertainment purpose.
Right.
And after that she eats breakfast,
Good.
eats
She has
breakfast.
or she eats. She has also, you can say she has her
Okay,
breakfast, or you can say she eats her breakfast.
okay.
She
She eats.
takes her breakfast also is right. She takes her
Yes,
breakfast.
yes. She takes her breakfast, and then she goes to prepare for lunch,
Lunch for
lunch
everybody. Yeah.
for everybody.
Right.
And after making lunch, she sit down she sits down
Sits down.
and
Sits down.
yeah,
She
she
sits
sits
down and
down.
has her lunch with everybody. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, has have lunch with everybody, and also talks to my aunt or someone else.
Right.
And
Good.
if there is no work, then
Nobody.
she
Nobody.
okay, if there is nobody, then she reads some books, or she watches some YouTube videos,
Very good.
inspirational videos.
Good.
And after that like in the it takes in the evening, then she again prepares food, prepares dinner for everybody.
Good.
And everyone comes home,
Hmm.
everyone come home, come or
Singular.
comes.
Everyone is singular only. So everyone treated as singular. Everyone comes
Okay,
home by
okay,
that time, by
okay,
evening, and we
okay.
and everybody has food
Yeah,
together.
everybody comes home at around 7 p.m. And then everyone together,
Has
everyone has together. And some kind of
family
uh,
time.
yes, she spends family time with everybody, and then have a dinner. And
Then has
then
a then has a dinner. Has, because you're talking about her, so she
okay,
has dinner. Everybody, like
yeah,
we have dinner. We, if you say the family, also family is also singular, treated
yes.
as singular. So family has
Hmm.
dinner at 8 o'clock, for example.
Okay.
My family, for example, if you say my family eats at 8 o'clock every day.
Hmm. Hmm.
So singular, you have to treat it singular.
Okay.
It's
So
a it's called
she
collective noun. Although it has a lot of
okay.
members, like team, the team is good, Indian
Team.
team is good. We don't say team are good, है ना? We say team is good, our team is good.
Huh. Yes.
Similar, families also has a lot of members, but it is treated as singular.
Yes. Yes.
So
Okay.
okay.
So she has a dinner with everybody, and then go to sleep. Goes to sleep.
Right,
Goes to
goes to
sleep.
sleep. Very nice. So this
Yes.
is the only difference you have to. always tell, I sing, she sings, I talk, she talks, he talks. You have to always,
Yeah.
on your, like a table, you have to practice this.
Okay.
He or he, she, it also. For example,
Actually,
it
I
depends.
confuse it with
Now you don't confuse it.
while talking. While talking. Yeah.
Always know your subject, what you're talking about. Your subject is third person singular, like your mom, your
Yes.
friend, your
Yes.
dad, your brother, your sister,
Yeah.
all are in this category individually.
Third
Third person singular. This is called third person
singular.
singular. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
It can be a
Okay.
situation also. For example, when we say it depends on the situation, so situation is it.
So
Huh.
it.
Huh. So it
Okay.
also, then also you have to add s. It depends on the situation.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay.
anyways, so what do you do in your spare time apart from your working and you're staying here alone? Are you staying alone in Delhi or with
Yes.
somebody?
Yes. No, alone.
So you're independent. You don't feel scared or something from
No,
coming
first
from
time.
all the way from Kolkata, and you're staying here.
Yes.
You
First time I scared, but
you got scared,
I
huh? Earlier you were scared.
I got scared, but now I'm not.
I'm used to it. I'm used to it now. Hai na?
I'm used to it. Yes.
Okay. So you work from home these days, or you go to a physical office?
No, I'm working at home.
You work from home?
Yes, yes. Right now
Okay.
I'm working at home.
No, working at home me. Work from home. You are in a company or you are
Oh,
looking for a job? What is it? You're
no, no.
employed?
Yes, I'm working in a company.
Then you work from home.
I work from home.
Right. Yeah.
That's
So this
okay.
is a term. This is the whole term that I
Okay,
work from
okay.
home. I don't go to the office physically, but
Yes,
I
yes.
work from home.
Yes, right.
Of course. You can work you can cook your food also. That is also called work at home. I work. But this is work from home is a specific term. Okay. Anyways. So do you like, how often do you go to Kolkata? Do you go to meet them? You have just come, so you have not gone, right, after your job.
Yes, no, actually I will go. It like Raksha Bandhan festival is coming.
Right, it's
So
very near. So you're planned.
yeah.